Welcome to Scholars Tutorial, where we make visual reasoning easy to understand. In this question, we are given a figure beside a vertical mirror line. Among the 5 options below, only one shows the correct mirror reflection. The others are rotated or twisted versions of the original shape. When a shape is reflected in a vertical mirror, the entire figure flips from left to right. A mirror image is a flipped version of the given image. Just like how you look in the mirror, any blocks appear on the left side will now appear on the right side in the mirror image. The correct mirror image is option C. It perfectly matches the left to right reversal of the original figure. Let's see why the other options are incorrect. Option A, B, D and E don't represent the correct mirror image. Rather, they are rotations of the original image. Option C represents the true mirror image. With Scholars Tutorial, understanding reflection and rotational images becomes simple. Keep practicing and sharpen your visual reasoning skills. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.